What is this, Pip? What is it?
Do you think, could I hit
It stands up. Why does it stand up?
with the racket?
The first thing that we're doing today is obviously going on a dog walk because it's the first thing we do pretty much every day. What's so funny, Mum?
You gotta film everything you do, don't you?
Not everything.
Polenta. Grilled polenta.
I'm making polenta right now so that I can make polenta chips for dinner because apparently I'm cooking dinner. Should we do? That seems like...
What?
Is that?
I think so.
That looks like polenta chips. I'm gonna do a 20-minute word sprint. Should we make it a half an hour one? Nah, we'll start with 20 minutes. I'm gonna do a 20-minute word sprint. I'll catch up with you when it's over.
Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I counting days until the second glow. It's gonna.
So that was 736 words in 20 minutes, which is pretty good for me. That's like my second best of all time, I think. We're getting back into it, which is good. I feel good about this. Everything is great.
Make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, just start at top of yours. It's all you need to.
New calendar time. I'm going from vintage guitars to Arctic animals because Arctic animals were the only thing in the newsagent that wasn't like kittens. Dinner is served. So I got to my word count goal of 2,000. Nearly got to 3,000. So I'm slightly ahead of where I need to be, which is where I want to be. So it's all good.